Today's video, I'm going to show you how to reach Siteground support chat quickly and efficiently. Whether you're facing technical issues with your website or just need some guidance, Siteground's support team is ready to help. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to siteground.com. On the homepage, click the Login button in the top right corner and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Siteground dashboard. Look for the small question mark icon, which represents help or support. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select View Help Center. The Help Center has plenty of guides and resources, but since we want to chat with support directly, click on the Contact Us button near the top. This will take you to the contact page where you can describe your issue and start a live chat session with a Siteground support agent. When chatting, be clear and concise about your issue so the team can help you as quickly as possible. And that's it. Steps, you'll be connected to Siteground support chat in no time. It's a direct, effective way to get the help you need. Thanks for watching.